Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen, where I'll be showing you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better from my home to your home. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block, I'm going to be showing you guys how to turn in this baked chicken into a delicious recipe. And it's going to be called a crispy honey Chipotle chicken wings. Okay, now I had these chicken wings last night. I just baked them in the oven. You know, I don't have the recipe to that because it ain't nothing but simple, like a little granulated onion, granulated garlic, and what was that, paprika. That's all that was. That's just simple as that. You know, you can put much as you want to put on your. I think I put like a teaspoon of each on mine. All right, that's all I did, and I baked it, and I just tried to eat something. Okay, but I'm going to transform this into, like I said, a crispy honey Chipotle chicken wing. And what you're going to need is some Chipotle right here. You need like a teaspoon, not even a teaspoon, a half a teaspoon of this, because this stuff is potent and it costs a lot of money. You're going to need some chili sauce right here. Alright, you're going to need some butter. Excuse me, that just fell down. You're going to need some butter, unsalted. You're going to need a little lemon juice right here, and you're gonna need some honey. Now, this is already cooked, so all I'm gonna do is fry this up for about 5 minutes, okay? And I'll show you guys how to make this sauce when we put this stuff together. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back, and all I'm gonna do is just put these in this grease. I'm cooking this at 350 degrees, and make sure this stuff gets crispy. You do want to do room temperature. All right. We'll start working on that sauce. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I just put a half a stick of butter in here. Okay. I'm going to come in here with this chili sauce. We're going to use a 1/4 cup of that. So it's probably like, this is probably like 6 ounces that I'm using, since it was half. This is a 12-ounce bottle. So let's go with 6 ounces. Alright, we're going to come with our Chipotle. We're going to come with like a teaspoon of that. Try to get it out. It's about a teaspoon. This is a tablespoon, so that's a teaspoon. Come with some lemon juice. Like 2 tablespoons of this. Lemon juice, just like so. And we cover our honey. 2 tablespoons of that. Okay. We'll mix this up. Let it come to a simmer, and then your sauce is done. When that chicken get done, we'll toss this around in there and serve it up to you guys. How about that? See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, off the camera, what I did was I added 3 tablespoons of hot sauce to this, some Frank hot sauce, because it seemed like it needed something else. And I just stirred it around. That's it. I thought I was recording. And I looked at the camera, I said, oh, the little red dot ain't on there. So, chicken almost done, guys. Only 5 minutes on that chicken, and we'll be ready to put this stuff together. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm back. Here's the chicken wings, right here. They're done. I'm going to pour this sauce on here. Just like so. That should be enough. And just give it a quick toss. Alright. Alright, there you go. Alright, go ahead and set this up and I'll be right back. Okay fam, I'm back. I'm finally done with this crispy honey chipotle wing. And it's good because I'm eating on it right now, okay? No doubt about it. Let me go ahead and show you that up close. And I just put some ranch in the middle, so if it's a little too spicy for someone, they can always cut back on the spice by using ranch or sour cream. Okay guys? So if you like this recipe guys, please give me a like and a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit this bell, just like that. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGGS Kitchen. Much love.